everyone, this is CJ over here at Throttle Powersports located in Swanzey, New Hampshire. Today we're going to take a look at one of our pre-owned units. It's 2023 Yamaha YZF-R3. It has 11,778 miles and comes equipped with a 321cc twin-cylinder engine, ABS brakes, LED lighting, and sleek Supersport styling. It's lightweight and race-inspired. With sharp bodywork and a sporty stance, it looks fast standing still. It's perfect for new riders or anyone looking for a fun, easy-to-handle sport bike with serious style. It's affordable, reliable, and built to deliver smiles every time you twist the throttle. Come check it out at Full Throttle Powersports in Swanzey, New Hampshire. Call us at 603-357-7999 or visit ftpnh.com to learn more or schedule a test ride now.